Alright folks, so let's talk about the itel S25 Ultra, a phone that's been making waves. The design looks a lot like Samsung's Galaxy Ultra phones. I mean, they even named it the S25 Ultra, but that's smart marketing, right? It grabs attention, and honestly, it's a budget phone, so why not? First up, the design. This phone is sleek, only 6.9mm thick, making it one of the slimmest in its category. The back has a matte finish with a two-tone texture depending on the color you choose, black, titanium, or blue. It looks so premium, with a magnesium aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection, and an IP64 rating. This phone is built to handle drops, splashes, and scratches. As a bonus, it offers a free screen replacement if you manage to crack it within the first 3 months. Now let's talk about the display. You're getting a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. The curved edges give it that premium feel you'd expect from flagship phones. The phone runs on the Unisoc T620 processor. It's not the fastest chip out there, but for daily tasks like texting, browsing, and light gaming, it performs well. Multitasking is smooth thanks to 8GB of RAM, and you can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage, which is expandable with a microSD card. Games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile run well on medium settings, but don't expect buttery smooth performance in the most demanding titles. Speaking of cameras, the S25 Ultra comes with a 50MP main camera and a 32MP selfie camera. And let me tell you, the cameras are surprisingly good for a phone in this range. In good lighting, the results are impressive. Low light is not bad either. Videos can be recorded in 2K at 30 frames per second, but if you want better stabilization, stick to 1080p. There's also a cool RGB ring light at the back that you can customize for notifications. It's small touches like this that make it fun to use. It packs a 5000 mAh battery, giving you a full day of use for lighter tasks like streaming and texting. If you're gaming or pushing the phone harder, you'll get around 6 hours of screen time. On the software side, you've got itel OS 14.5, based on Android 14. itel is promising updates to Android 15, and even Android 16, which is rare for budget phones. The OS has plenty of features, like a smart AI assistant, customizable themes, and even dynamic wallpapers. Now, let's wrap it up. The itel S25 Ultra is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a stylish, durable phone with a great display at a budget-friendly price. It's not perfect, the processor could be faster, and stereo speakers or 5G support would have been nice, but for $150, it's hard to beat what you're getting here. That's all folks. If you're in the market for a sleek, affordable phone, this one's worth considering. What do you think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.